Morning everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about cloud computing architecture. So under this we are going to deal with cloud programming and management, Aneka software development kit and management tools. Cloud programming and management means the main objective of the Aneka software is to provide a scalable middleware product in which to execute distributed applications. Means that it will be available. Many users can have rights to access any sort of software whenever by using the Aneka software tool, and which is used to execute distributed applications, and the application development and management constitutes the two major features that are exposed to developers and system administrators. The Aneka provides developers with a comprehensive and extensible set of application level interfaces and administrators with powerful and intuitive management tools. Means that we are using the end users can use some tools to manage all sort of services in the Aneka platform. The APIs for development are mostly concentrated in the Aneka software development kit. Management tools are exposed through the management console. So there are certain level of management: application level management, platform level management, and infrastructure level management. So all those all those services will be managed with the help of management console. Then Aneka software development kit, it provides APIs for developing applications on top of the existing programming models. It implements new programming models and developing new services to integrate into the Aneka cloud. So means that it consists of collection of so much of programs, applications and softwares and infrastructure and everything, which is used to integrate new Aneka cloud. Then it provides support for both programming models and services by the application model, service model. Then in the application model, it covers the development of applications and new programming models. It consists of the application classes and application manager. So application class role is it need to provide the user or a developer to view about the distributed applications of the Aneka cloud. So what sort of applications have been distributed across the globe will be managed by this application class, whereas the application manager role is it is used to monitor the internal components that control and monitor the execution of the Aneka clouds. So what are the components or what are the softwares, what are the infrastructures have been utilized in the Aneka platform will be managed by the application manager, whereas in application class the main role is to control the or monitor the applications, distributed applications which are executing in the Aneka clouds. Then management tools, there are three different tools. One is infrastructure management, another one is platform management, and last one is application management. In case of infrastructure management, if any user wants to execute any task, or if any user wants to store huge amount of data but the system is not supporting, then the user can approach the cloud service provider to provide the corresponding storage services. By using the cloud storage, the user can store huge amount of data on the globe. Then platform management means, for example, if any user wants to execute any sort of program but the system does not support for that, then the user can pay certain amount to the service provider with his own credentials to have an access over on it. Then the service provider will give the necessary platform in which the user requires. By using that platform, the user can execute his task. Then the user can maintain all the results in the infrastructure, that is in the cloud services. So all those things will be managed by the platform management. Then application management means, for executing any simple task or complex task, the user might require certain applications for performing the necessary task. In order to execute that task, the application management will provide the corresponding application to the user to have an execution of the task. Then organizational aspects. The cloud computing introduces a significant change in the way information technology services are consumed and managed. In particular, a wide acceptable of cloud computing will require a significant change in business processes and organizational boundaries. Means that always the cloud services are sometimes private cloud or sometimes public cloud, and some of the services might be hybrid. Private cloud means only authorized person alone have the rights to access everything. Public cloud means any sort of users on the globe can have the rights to access everything. And hybrid means combination of both, like our Gmail server or Yahoo server, only authorized person alone have the rights to access everything. Whereas in Google, we need not have to give any authorization. Whatever contents we want, when we surf on the net, we will get everything on the fly. So this is all about organizational aspects. Thank you so much. Thank you.